Hello and welcome to NXG Markets. This is Mohsen Ismail. Well, here are the things that I would like to just inform you about what is exactly happening so that you are aware. ये बहुत important है. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे ध्यान देना. Let's understand this in a little detail. Let me adjust this. Okay. कुछ points आप यहाँ पे दिमाग में रखना कि अभी जो फिलहाल जिस हिसाब से मार्केट है and this is a very important point of 5184. 5184 is one price that is very very important क्योंकि यहाँ से मार्केट अगर ऊपर नहीं जाता then you have this level up to 5173 and going down till up to 5155, which is a very important setup, because if it falls down further then we have 5114 to 5090 and can give you a very good sell right here if it does not close above 5185. And of course, while going ahead, going upwards, we have got 5228, which is, let me just see, what is the previous, there were a lot of time today as well and yesterday as well. If you see from 5224, a lot of time market has come down from that point. So that makes it a very important point again, because if it crosses above 5224 and closes above 5224, then there is a possibility then the market can go up to 5270 and even try and touch 5300 as well. But that is on the upper case. As of now, the market is below 5184 to give that initial or the of course the aggressive nature to go back to 5224. However, if it stays down, then you have a selling opportunity today coming till evening before the US, during the US hours as well. So you can just might as well, because today there is a very important news about CPI, so that is going to affect a lot, and that is where we expect, if that comes as positive for US, then you can see this fluctuation right there. So that is how it is. Just in Hindi for the people who prefer Hindi language, well, यहाँ पे ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है 5184 के ऊपर अगर मार्केट क्लोज होता है, थोड़े लंबे टाइम फ्रेम में अगर हम देखते हैं, अगर ये इसके ऊपर क्लोज होता है तो फिर रीटेस्ट पर हम टुवर्ड्स 5224 पे बाय ले सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर मार्केट इसके नीचे ही रहता है तो देन यू हैव अ सेलिंग ऑप्शन अवेलेबल, जहां पे तुम पहला टेक प्रॉफिट 5173 और इसके रीटेस्ट पे अगर और नीचे जाता है तो फिर 5155 तक, एंड देन इसके रीटेस्ट पे अगर और नीचे चला जाता है तो फिर 5043 से 5027 तक जा सकता है. पर यहीं से ये सारे डिमांड सेक्शन भी होते हैं कि 5153 पे जब आएगा मार्केट तो यहाँ से डायरेक्टली नीचे नहीं जाएगा, तो ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट टेकिंग यहाँ पे आप प्रॉफिट टेक करिए, क्योंकि यहाँ से मार्केट रिवर्सल में ऊपर की तरफ भी जा सकता है. सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज. अगर मार्केट 5184 के ऊपर होता है तो नेक्स्ट टारगेट ऑफ कोर्स 5224, जो कि बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रहा है. 2-3 बार ऐसा हुआ है कि 5224 से मार्केट वापस से नीचे आया है, तो इस बार अगर वो 5224 को क्रॉस करके ऊपर क्लोज करता है तो फिर द नेक्स्ट टारगेट इज ऑफ कोर्स 5270 से 5300 तक. But that's all from me for now. I will keep updating as and when it is required. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day. And please like, share, subscribe. And this is just an educational purpose video. Don't take this as a financial advice. Thank you. You have a great day.